The application that I chose to use was an app called Nearpod. When you log on to nearpod.com, it brings you up to this home screen and you can click create page. I've already created mine, so I'm going to click to my library. Once you're in my library, it gives you options of creating a new document, exploring, or going to a document that you've already created. When you click create a document, it has add slide. Add content, you can add web content or add an activity. Activities are open-ended questions, polls, quizzes, draw-its, fill-in-the-blank questions, or a memory test. Once you click add content, you can click create a slide, you can insert a video, a slideshow, you can take a virtual field trip, add audio, a PDF viewer, or a live Twitter stream. I've already clicked add content, so we'll go back to the slide. And I'll show you here, it says drop any files here. If you have all of your content already saved to a PowerPoint document, you can simply drag that PowerPoint over into this area here, and it will set up all of your slides from that PowerPoint into the Nearpod app. I've already created an assignment, so I'm going to go click on that assignment now. And the one that I chose to do on was powers and exponents. When you click on your lesson, and it'll give you an option of a live lesson view, and then it pops up this code. What this code is, it allows your students to log into your lesson, and it gives them the identification to you, and they can write in their name, and it shows you that they've logged on to your class. So mine was on powers and exponents. There's a few slides, and I actually took screen snips using the screen snipping tool in Windows 10 and posted those as pictures onto my slides so I didn't have to recreate them. Alright, and then up here this says write 5 cubed as a product of the same factor. It has this little pencil beside. This is the Draw It app. Your students will have an opportunity to draw and explain what the product of that same factor is. There's evaluating, and then they have to do the same thing and evaluate 14 to the third power. Alright, the last thing is exponential form, and it gives definition and example. And here's the type of one of the tools that you could use. This is a quiz. They said, what is 10 times 10 in exponential form? So they have the choice of picking A or B. And then it'll show you the correct answers. It also gives you an opportunity to plug in videos into your lessons. And that's what I've done here. It's the exact same lesson, but with different questions and an overview at the end. And the last slide's homework. I like using the Nearpod app because it gives students a more multimedia way of just not taking notes but interacting and engaging in the lesson.